Hello, thank you for being interested in software thermostats. Now let's take a look at how the T19 thermostat is voice controlled. The devices we used as a T19 thermostat, gateway, and echo dot. First, we need to download Amazon Alexa and Tuya Smart in the App Store and register the accounts. After download, we need to set the thermostat coded to gateway. Turn off the thermostat. Long press clock button until it shows. Then long press gateway power button. When thermostat show 1, mean coded successful. After matching the codes, we need to pair the gateway for networking. Enter Tuya Smart. Click Add Device. Choose thermostat in small home. Confirm the gateway green light flashing. If not, long press gateway power button for 3 seconds. Enter Wi-Fi code. Click Confirm. App shows connecting. After connected, rename thermostat as bedroom. Now we can adjust the temperature by pressing the up and down buttons. After gateway added to Tuya Smart successful, enter Amazon Alexa app. Click the menu bar at the top left. Choose Skills and Games. Searching for Tuya. Click Enable to use. Enter your Tuya Smart account and password. Click Link Now. And authorize. Then Alexa link Tuya Smart successful. Next, we need to configure the echo dot. Enter Amazon Alexa app. Click the menu bar at the left. Select Add Device. Choose Amazon Echo. Choose Echo Dot. Select the model of Echo Dot. We are using the second model. Click Continue. Next, long press the Action button for 6 seconds. Until light change from blue to yellow.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Click Continue. Change your phone network to Echo Dot.
You've connected. Now, go back to the Alexa app.
Click Continue. Continue. Link to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Continue. Skip. Go to Home. Echo Dot configured successfully. Sending Alexa to wake up your Echo Dot. Blue light brighten. Finally, we need to set temperature units. Click the menu bar at the top left. Choose Settings. Choose Device Settings. Select your Echo Dot. Find the measurement units. Change the measurement units to Celsius. Alexa, turn off bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, set bedroom to 35.
The heat's set to 35.
Alexa, what's the current temperature of bedroom?
The bedroom temperature is 28 degrees.